future of electricity is unfolding right here at Elecrama 2025. Day 2 brings us deeper into the world of energy transformation, with next-gen technologies and visionary leaders driving the conversation.
So, well, before we dive into that conversation, let me tell you the fact that in the electrical and power world, Motwane stands out for its distinctive mission and achievement. We have an opportunity to catch up with Mr. Pankaj Gakwar, Vice President of Motwane at the Elecrama 2025. Sir, welcome to Erafin Media Group's channel and proud publisher of Electrical and Power Info magazine. So, just to begin with, sir, can you give us a brief introduction of your company and its legacy in the electrical testing and measurement industry?
Motwane is a prestigious name in electrical test and measuring equipment world in India, and now it is also famous in 67 countries. I can say Motwane is a journey. It started with Asia's first analog multimeter, and then we have developed hundreds of products. And the journey not only stopped at analog world. From analog equipment, then we have designed the products in digital. Then from digital, the journey continued to PC connected products and inbuilt storage memory. Then now we have moved all the products towards the cloud. So all the products are having Bluetooth connectivity through which the test results are coming to the cloud. And from the cloud, we can get a big data which can be analyzed, and the results can go up to the residual life and predictive analytics. So we are moving this testing world in the new age. And that's the journey of 100 years old brand. And we feel that is our responsibility to take this technology to the new age.
Absolutely. And sir, since it has been only 2.5 days, but what was the response since the beginning of Elecrama?
Yeah, it is. Elecrama is always a festival of electrical research. And it's not only domestic, it's truly international festival where you get to know the new market requirements. You meet your old friends. I mean your old customers, and understand their requirements and get satisfied with their happy faces. When you are giving a product which delights their requirement and enhances more expectations from the brands like us, which are always giving priority to the innovation.
Absolutely. And what are your key objectives to display of products at Elecrama 2025?
Actually, what we are displaying the new technology and new products, the award-winning products where we got innovative award from Korean government for one of the products. Now the journey, what I told you, is started to going towards the cloud for individual products. Apart from that, now we are integrating multiple products together to form a testing van. Now we can see the cable testing van. The cable testing van is combining combination of 6 products. Now we are launching transformer testing van, which is a combination of 10 products. And very soon the world will see the lab on wheels from Motwane for multiple applications. So there are different applications: cable, transformer, motors, transformer oil. So the world will get the automated testing van, where the objective is to save the time of the customer, in a way, revenue.
Sir, the industry is moving towards automation and needless to say that towards AI-based monitoring. How are you adapting to these trends?
Yeah, this is a revolutionary change, I should say. Since last few years, the world is moving towards artificial intelligence. And for that, very essential thing is how you are connecting your test data or the objective towards the cloud. So the test data which is going to the cloud, it is used with the artificial engines and algorithms which will give the analytics which are really very useful in nature, and it is useful in multiple ways. It saves the capex, it saves the opex, it is also useful for human safety, it is also useful to reduce the carbon emission, and the most important thing is that now in the Western world, ISO 55001 is becoming very popular, which is asset productivity and asset management standard. Very soon it will come to India, and the equipment should be ready to work as per ISO 55001. It means that each and every equipment should have a cloud connectivity, then should have an analytic software. So we have made it ready. Now we are ready, so that our customers can easily go for ISO 55001 standard certificate.
Impressive with the technology at least. Yeah. Acha sir, what is the next for your company? Are there any upcoming innovations or JV partnerships or milestones we look forward in the future?
Yeah, actually, what we find that as our products are presently proven in Indian working conditions, Indian substation and Indian OEM contractors, railways, same thing we have started around 6 years ago. In 67 countries now, our footprints are there. So we want to increase our global reach. For that, we have already started our GCC operation in Sharjah, and the office is also started. Now our integrated product range is getting good acceptance worldwide. Integrated product ranges means the cable testing vans, transformer testing benches and transformer testing vans. During last few days, multiple country visitors have witnessed those innovations at our place. Similarly, there are few products like very low frequency tester for cable for location, then innovative oil tank delta, capacitance and tank delta, then insulation testers up to 50 teraohm, first time in the world. So all those products are witnessed by the world over here. So there are many international visitors here for RBS and have also visited especially our stall to understand our innovation, and we are getting very good response, I can say, for those innovations.
Absolutely, sir. But sir, what innovative technologies are integrated into your industry? If you can just list out a couple of.
Yeah, actually our R&D is having 40 scientists, and it is two of not only the analog, we got experts in analog technology, digital technology, the artificial intelligence scientists, the algorithm writers, the software brains, and with this experience of around 100 years, we got everything, the experience from the customer, and that is implemented in the technology. So right from software to hardware, hardware to artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence to analytics. So that is how our technical smartness is added in the product. We are into offline measurement as well as online transformer monitoring, online motor monitoring, then cable monitoring. All this is attached with this technology.
Absolutely, sir. And just to continue with, because I found you having considerable knowledge, what one message would you like to give to our viewers?
Actually, the thing is that every manufacturer or the company which is there since ages, it is their responsibility to see the benefit of the customer. The benefit is not only the revenue. Benefit is time saving, human asset, and actual physical electrical assets, or many assets. How you are making the assets productive. So that is what is our responsibility, and we take it on our head, and we do our duty.
Thank you very much, sir. And that was indeed a very insightful conversation. And we thank you for your time and insightful.
Thank you and all the best for the event.
Thank you.